Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Firefly to generate images. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Adobe Firefly website. Once there, select the Text to Image module from the main menu. You'll see a prompt bar at the top and various settings on the side. This is where your creative journey starts, allowing you to transform your ideas into stunning visuals with just a few clicks. Crafting effective prompts is key to great results. Start by describing your subject clearly, for example, a majestic lion in a savanna at sunset. Then, add details about style, like oil painting or photorealistic, and specify colors or lighting, such as golden hour glow. Don't forget to experiment with negative prompts to exclude unwanted elements, guiding Firefly to produce precisely what you envision, enhancing your creative control significantly. After generating your initial images, you can customize them further. Adjust the aspect ratio to suit your needs, choosing from options like 1:1, 3:2, or 16:9. Explore different visual styles and effects from the extensive library provided. You can also utilize the generative fill feature to add or remove objects seamlessly, giving you precise control over your final composition and allowing for endless creative possibilities. Once you're happy with your creations, it's time to save and share them. You can download your generated images in high resolution, typically as JPEG or PNG files. Remember to understand the licensing and usage rights associated with Firefly creations, ensuring proper attribution. Finally, share your stunning artwork directly from the platform to your social media or creative communities, showcasing your unique vision to the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.